Welcome back to L&D Home. Today we have some cleaning motivation for you guys. Some of the parts of the house, as you can see, are an absolute mess. We're also going to be finally taking down our Christmas tree that we had decorated for New Year's, and just some other random cleaning that needed to be done around the house. So let's jump in. We are going to be starting in the kitchen today. So while I get all of these dishes put back in their right spot, I have a question for you. What is the part of your home that you find yourself cleaning the absolute most? You clean it almost every single day. I'm wondering, let me know in the comments down below. For me, it is usually the kitchen. I cannot stand to go to sleep when the kitchen is dirty. I hate gunk and stuff on the countertops, dishes filling up the sink. But for some reason, the past few days, I just could not be bothered. It's been a really long week, and I just kind of threw those dishes in the sink to soak, didn't wipe off the counters, and really didn't do much of anything. So I had a lot to tackle in the kitchen this day, which is usually not like me, but I know I'm not alone. When sometimes you just let things fall to the wayside because you just have a lot going on in life. But I am curious, what part of your home do you keep the most clean usually? Now that I'm done with all of those dishes, I'm just putting our Instapot away. We have been using it a ton lately. We've been trying to eat a little bit more healthy just because, well, let's be honest, in the wintertime, we really don't. And we really just want to be a little bit more healthy in our lifestyle. It is kind of a pain to clean the Instapot and to put away because we put ours on top of the fridge because we have an extreme lack of storage in this home, but that's okay because I do enjoy eating more healthy. It definitely makes me feel a lot better. Now that I am happy with the kitchen, for now, it is time to tackle this tree. I have been slacking this New Year's. I don't know what it is. I just couldn't be bothered to take this tree down. I usually take it down right after Christmas, but my husband loves the lights and he loves it when I decorate it for New Year's. We actually use New Year's coasters that I got from Party City in 2018 because the hat is from 2018, our tree topper hat for New Year's. But I don't know, I left it up and I've been looking at it thinking I'm over it. It's reminding me of Christmas. I want Christmas to come back. I need to take the tree down and I just didn't feel like it. But today was the day. I was tired of looking at it and I just wanted to get it down. It is really convenient because it does turn, so it's really easy to take the lights off of. One struggle I do have with this tree is it is really sturdy, so the branches sometimes don't want to come out when you are trying to pull them out, especially the smaller ones. The larger branches come out really easily, but I was struggling a bit with the smaller branches. But in total, it only took me about 18 minutes to take this tree down, and we just store our Christmas tree in 2 separate totes. It won't all fit in one tote, so the rest of it just goes in the tote that has the ornaments and everything in it. So that's where you see me chucking all of these branches to the side. I'm just throwing them into a tote that is then going to go back into our garage. I'm now just going to be vacuuming this corner really well. And I'm also going to be getting the rest of the living room too. But I wanted to get this spot really well because it hadn't been vacuumed in a while. I'm also going to move that cube organizer over just a little bit and put our lamp back because that's kind of where things were. So I'm just adjusting the lamp. And then I'm going to scoot that cube organizer over just a little bit, make sure I have it in the right spot. And then I'm just going to be vacuuming some more. This living room needed a good vacuuming. It's been a few days since I have done it just because I've been so busy. So I wanted to make sure I got the floors nice and clean, fluffed the dog bed a little bit, made it look a little bit more presentable, and then put that back. Since I'm already in the living room, it definitely needed some straightening. We have shoes laying all over the place and soda cans laying all over the place and all of that good stuff. So I wanted to make sure I gave the living room a decent clean. I'm not going to be dusting and moving everything out of the way, just kind of picking up and vacuuming moving the slip cover because our slip cover does get caught in our vacuum. I really like this slip cover for what it is, but I actually don't like slip covers. We just can't afford a new couch. So it's a great way to kind of make your couch look more presentable if you can't afford a new one. I then decided to pull out a tool I never use, and that is my Bissell Steam Shot. I have seen so many cleaning videos where people use this around their toilet, and it is so satisfying seeing what comes out. Now, I know our grout looks really dirty. It's actually not dirty. It is part grout, part caulk from the previous owner, and it doesn't come clean. That's actually bare spots in the part that has the caulk in it. So just ignore that. But I was not impressed with what it got out. I really hoped this was going to be satisfying. And it wasn't. So I decided I already have it out. It worked really good on this part of the toilet though. This is really hard to clean, all of these little nooks and crannies. So I really do like it for this. So I decided since I already had it out, it was already heated up, I'd go ahead and just finish off some of those difficult parts of the toilet. And then I'm going to be moving to a difficult spot on the sink. Satisfying, gross, I know, but it did work really well on that part. Overall, though, let me know in the comments below if you have a Bissell Steam Shot and you think it's worth the money. I really thought I was going to use this thing all the time, but it is so cumbersome, and quite frankly, it's just easier to pull out a rag and cleaner a lot for me. I rarely use this tool, and I can't decide if it was a mispurchase or if it was worth it. Let me know what you think. This is that corner of the sink. I use this sink to clean my makeup brushes. So it is really difficult to clean, and I was actually really satisfied with the grime that came off because I can never get this spot clean. Now for one of my least favorite things to do, and that is to put away laundry. I don't mind doing the laundry. It's the putting it away that drives me crazy. So this is actually our spare bedroom. We call this my beauty room. It's just a spare bedroom that we have in our home that hopefully will later be used for something different. But for right now, this is my dressing room, and I'm just putting all of my laundry away. I'm putting most of it away just normal, but there are some things where I am actually making outfits out of it. I do like to have a few outfits hanging up ready to go in case I don't know what to wear that day, especially during the work week when I have to get up at 5 something in the morning and couldn't be bothered with picking out an outfit that early in the morning.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold.
It is the end of our random cleaning day, and I'm finishing off with making our bed. I usually do this in the morning on the weekends. However, I wanted to clean all of our bedding, so I had to wait for the laundry. And there's no sense in showing you our laundry room because it's tiny and ugly and just awful. So I just did all of the laundry off camera, and here I am just making the bed so our room looks nice and inviting and cozy. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from today's video and enjoyed it as well for a little bit of entertainment. Make sure that you check out the video and the playlist on the screen. And as always, make sure that you smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Try